Hey guys, today's vlog video we're going to be talking about firmware updates when you're rooted. So today's video is basically inspired by another YouTuber who kind of ran into this problem, and I felt to myself, there are a lot of people out there who probably don't understand what's going to happen. So consider this video kind of like a warning, because sometimes it just goes wrong when you try to update your firmware. What is a firmware, you ask? A firmware is a software update, whether bringing you to the newest version of Android so you can be like, yes! Or it's just patching up bugs that your device currently has that they're trying to rectify to make the experience with the device much better. Now, when you have a new firmware update, basically it is either going to wipe the software and install the new software with the bug fixes or the new version of Android. And if you have root access, that is going to obstruct the install. Now, some people are lucky enough that if they do the firmware update, all it really will do to their phone is just take away root access. And if your device falls into that category, consider yourself lucky, because there are far more unfortunate people out there. One thing that happens that is really crappy is it wipes your software that you currently have, tries to install the new software, but finds out that there is certain files that doesn't belong in the software by the root access, and then it craps out. How do you know that happened to you? Basically, your phone is stuck in boot loop. And you probably think that wiping the data or factory resetting and recovery is going to help. Think again. It's not going to help because the original software is gone. It's been wiped. Now, only certain OEM companies do this. Kyocera is one of them. And when that happens, really, unless you have the original stock software so you can flash as an update zip in the stock recovery, you're screwed. So here's a helpful tip for a lot of people out there who have root access on their device and got that lovely notification of new software update available. The best thing you guys could do is unroot your device. There are different methods to unroot your device, but the most popular one has to do with an application called Super SU, which in the settings has the ability to do a full unroot. And when you fully unroot your device, it's a much safer way to install the new firmware update. So that's pretty much it for today's blog video. If you guys kind of enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button because it helps me out. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And yeah, that's today's video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Yes!